it's Salome with Surf Training Factory, and today I'm going to show you how to remove FCS fins. Okay, so let's remove those fins. These are the original FCS fins. Not a lot of shapers still put these boxes in it, but if you are buying a used surfboard, it will most likely have those fins. So let's see how to remove them. You're going to need a fin key, which is also called an Allen key. It usually comes with the fins, or you can buy one at a surf shop. It's not that big of a deal. But my screws and my fin key are a little worn out, so I had to buy an Allen key, which you can buy that at a construction store. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove every single screw before I can even remove the fins. But I'm not going to remove them out completely. I just remove them enough so that the fin is loose. And then I can remove them. So I'll do both and I'll show you what I mean. See, I'll stop right here, and then the fin is loose enough, I can take it out. It doesn't have to completely come out. And if you are wondering, yes, they do get a little rusty, but you can always buy new fins and change them out. New keys and screws and change them out. So there's another one. And third one. Actually, I wouldn't recommend taking the screws off completely because you will lose them very, very easily. So there you go. Very easy to remove. And then if you are traveling, you might want to put the fins just back in a little, just so that they don't go anywhere. Just safer. And that's it. We just removed FCS fins.